Can ChatGPT prompts really help you at work? Short answer, yes, if you know how to use them. Let's be clear about something up front. ChatGPT isn't some magical productivity fairy that sprinkles solutions on your problems while you sit back and sip coffee. It's a tool, a powerful one, sure, but still a tool. What matters is how you use it, and that starts with prompts. Prompts are the instructions you give ChatGPT. They shape everything that comes back. Feed it something vague or lazy, and you'll get something vague or lazy. But if you're clear, specific, and intentional with your prompts, you can unlock a serious edge at work, whether you're in marketing, tech, education, design, or just trying to stay above water in a busy role. Here's what that looks like in practice. Say you're stuck on how to word an awkward client email. Instead of sweating over it for an hour, you can prompt ChatGPT. Write a polite follow-up email asking the client for overdue feedback while keeping the tone friendly but firm. Boom. You're not starting from scratch anymore. You're editing, not inventing. That's a big difference. Or maybe you're leading a workshop and need fresh ways to engage a team. Try. Give me 5 interactive exercises to help a remote team collaborate better during a virtual brainstorming session. You'll get ideas in seconds that you can tweak, build on, or discard, but you won't be staring at a blank screen. Even for more complex work like planning strategy, refining messaging, or breaking down technical concepts, you can guide ChatGPT with prompts like, summarize the key risks of this project in plain English. Turn this product feature list into a benefits-driven pitch. Give me 3 ways to explain technical concept to a non-technical stakeholder. None of this replaces your thinking, but it supports your thinking. It speeds up the grunt work, gets you unstuck faster, and lets you move on to the parts of your job that actually need a human brain. Still, here's the catch. Good prompts take effort. You have to know what you want, give the right context, and sometimes go a few rounds to get what you need. It's more collaboration than command, but once you get the hang of it, the ROI is huge. You'll save time, think more clearly, and maybe even discover better ways of doing your work. Because ChatGPT doesn't just execute, it offers perspective. It can push your thinking, challenge assumptions, and offer fresh takes. That's real value. So, can prompts help you at work? 100%. But like any tool, they're only as useful as the person using them. Be smart, be specific, and don't expect shortcuts. If you bring clarity, ChatGPT will bring speed, structure, and a creative boost when you need it most.